Hello and welcome to Craxoid. Today in this video, I'll be sharing you my review of the latest Project 404 ROM for the Redmi Note 8. But I won't just be talking about it, I'll be putting it to the test. I have run some benchmark scores including AnTuTu and Geekbench 5 and 6 and even a CPU throttling test. And that's not all, I'll also be showing you the ROM's customization options and new features. Plus, I'll be comparing this latest version with its previous build to help you decide if it's worth the upgrade. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of Project 404 ROM. Now let's jump into the details of Project 404 ROM. This latest build is based on the newest Android version 13, providing you with the access to the latest features. However, it's worth noting that the security update included in this build is from February 2023. So if security is a top priority for you, you may want to consider this before upgrading. And one of the standout feature of this ROM is the Quicksilver kernel used in it, and if you look at the build date, it is of April 8, 2023, means that you are getting the most recent version of this ROM. Camera. Starting with the camera, this ROM features the MIUI camera instead of the aperture camera found in its previous build. However, the MIUI camera still has all the essential modes, including working 48 megapixel camera and portrait mode, and all modes are working flawlessly. User experience. When it comes to user experience, this ROM is exceptionally smooth and responsive compared to other custom ROMs out there. Whether you are scrolling through apps, swiping through screens, or multitasking, the performance is seamless without any lags or stuttering. I have installed many applications on this ROM, and even with all these apps, there's no noticeable slowdown in the system's performance. As you can see on the screen, everything runs smoothly and the overall user experience is delightful. If you are looking for a fast and responsive ROM, this one should definitely be on your list. AnTuTu benchmark score. The AnTuTu benchmark score of this ROM is an impressive of 204040, indicating its ability to handle heavy users with ease. In comparison to its previous build, the score is slightly lower at 205573, but still within a reasonable range. Geekbench 5. Moving towards the Geekbench 5 scores, this ROM has a single core score of 296 and a multi-core score of 1177. Comparing these scores with the previous build, the single core score was 300 and the multi-core score was 1265, which is slightly higher than the current build. However, it's worth noting that the scores are still impressive and indicate a high level of performance. Geekbench 6. Moving on to the Geekbench 6 scores, the single core score of this ROM is 320 and multi-core score is 1121. When compared to the latest ROS, the single core score of ROS is 319 and the multi-core score is 1148. It is worth noting that this comparison is made with ROS, as the previous version of Project 404 ROM was not tested in this benchmark. Nonetheless, it can be concluded that this ROM performs quite well in the Geekbench 6 benchmark. CPU throttling test. Next, I tested the CPU throttling of this ROM by running a 15-minute test. During the test, this CPU throttled to 88% and the average score was 133754 GIPS. Comparatively, in the previous build, I conducted a 5-minute test with no CPU thermal throttling detected and an average score of 134299. However, when compared to the latest ROS 13.1, which I also tested for 15 minutes, this CPU throttled to 94% of its maximum performance and the average score was 135992. Safety net test. Talking about safety net test results, the safety net compatibility test has been successfully passed by this ROM, indicating that it meets Google security and compatibility requirements. Google Photo Storage. Moving on to the Google Photo Storage, Project 404 ROM offers unlimited storage for photos and videos on the app. This means that we can upload as many files as we want without worrying about running out of storage. Launcher. Let's talk about the launcher. Project 404 launcher is the default launcher in this ROM. Although it does not offer many customization options from the home setting, it does have a useful feature called taskbar that allows you to easily switch between multiple tasks and apps. However, the recent app section only offers a clean all quick action button, while it would have been useful to have other options such as screenshot and short lens button. As for applications, it does offer options such as app info, split tab and uninstall, which is a good addition in the latest build compared to the previous one. Sami Parts. This ROM also offers Sami Parts feature, which includes MI sound enhancer, clear speaker, display color calibration and more. Gestures. Moving on to gestures, this ROM offers a variety of options including the classic 3-finger swipe down for taking screenshots. Additionally, it provides the ability to enable advanced restart option through the press and hold power button feature. While these features are useful, it would be great to see more innovative gestures included in future updates. Battery. When it comes to battery settings, this ROM offers a wide range of options to customize and optimize the battery uses. It provides 4 different options: battery uses, battery saver, battery manager and status bar indicator. The status bar indicator option allows you to customize the battery style and enable the battery percentage to be displayed on the status bar. Display. When you access the display settings, you will find the options to enable dark mode, and the latest build now includes a pure black custom theme which was not available in the previous version. This is a welcome addition for those who enjoy a completely black theme for their device interface. In conclusion, we have covered the latest Project 404 CAF ROM based on Android 13, which offers a fast and responsive user experience with stable performance. Although it is based on February security update instead of April 2023 and may not give more customization as other custom ROMs, it still manages to offer a smooth and enjoyable experience. So, what are your thoughts and experiences in this ROM? We'd love to hear your opinions and feedback in the comment section below. Feel free to share your personal experiences, likes, dislikes, or any new things that you have discovered while using this ROM. Your input can be valuable for the community and it can help others make informed decisions about whether or not to try out this ROM. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Craxoid. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.